Shakespeare is performed on the main stage and his contemporaries are here. So at the moment we have a Molière and a Christopher Marlowe. Now, as we walk down towards the church, I want you to look at the lampposts. Exciting, isn't it? We have a museum of lampposts. In 1990, head of lampposts wrote to all of the towns and said, when you are going to upgrade your lampposts, get rid of your lovely old Victorian gas lamps which have got your town crests on, would you like to send us one in recognition of the widespread popularity of William Shakespeare? So they started to arrive from all over the country. They're all painted in the colours of the towns they've come from. They've got plaques on to tell you where they've come from, but also they started coming from all over the world. So all the way up this road, all the way down here, and way past the church, we've got these lamps. Now I'm not going to point them all out to you, I've got that one there, the one that now sees the theatre going on. For many, many years it saw the sailors returning to the coast, back across the Channel, because that was from the Royal Docks of Chatham. And around here we'd have the finest lamppost of the lot. Do you follow me? The Israeli government paid for a sculpture, a famous Israeli sculpture to do the characters. So you've got Bottom from Midsummer Night's Dream and Fiddler on the Roof, the other side. Now, I am assured by some Israeli visitors, is the trademark of the artist concerned. It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah. Right, we're going to cross the road and walk up here. You can see all the other lampposts. They are working, they're not gas anymore, they're all turned over to electricity and they are working lampposts, as you will see. You're coming out here. And just along here we've got the oldest continuously operating chain ferry, which you can see just down here. There's a chain on the river bed and he winds the handle to just wind it back and forth across the river. We don't have many bridges, so this is very useful. RSC had to close for so long, they needed somewhere else to work. So they built this lovely rusting shed. It was called the Courtyard Theatre. It's a 1,000-seater theatre. It was meant to be the prototype for what's now down the road. So all the problems are supposed to be sorted out here. So when you went to the courtyard, there was a piece of paper on your seat, and you were supposed to say what worked and what didn't. Well, I can tell you now, they didn't take notice of everything I said. Now, what we now have in there is a good chunk of the RSC's wardrobe. You know, they have fantastic wardrobe. There's rehearsal space and a community theatre as well for use by both amateurs and professionals. And there is a couple of different types of tours you can do here as well, which you need to check with the RSC. So we're going to go to the top of the road and then cross over to head down towards the church. All of this area we're walking past is the Bancroft. It is available freely for everybody to use. It belongs to the RSC. If you're here at the weekend, there are often free entertainments in the park.
Stop here, if not, carry on.
Yeah. They're just a school group, but they're not a local group. I don't know what they're called. Yeah. The RSC and the Shakespeare Birthplace put on a lot of school events and experiences. So the Welsh lamppost there with the dragon on. The dog's very impressed by that argument.
I'm sure.
The person going down here.